Kuya.
I'm Kuya Stephen.
And we are the Living Lamia. So today, ibisita tayo si Lolo George. Kasi the anniversary niya guys. So ako dito ako nag-bihis. Kasi wala pa. At may lagnat ako today. So I will come back later. This is Journey. This is nagsama ng intro. Bye. I will come back later guys. Guys, mabihis na ako. There's a motor. Yan, si Journey ang kulay. Usog-usog. So kami try. Sino na? Can you hold this for me? And this one? And hold this too. Yung gilid, you go to gilid. Ayusin ko yung hat ko. There, okay. So yan. Kasi na yung hat. We are here na pamilya. Yan. Lapit na mong baliw ako ha. Nangamong basa ang damit. Naka-zoom sa'yo. Biu. No. Hi guys, so the end of the vlog. So, pabakit si Journey. Yan na, dyan na, nakauwi na kami. So, see you to next vlog. Bye!